Omanyi baby mbadde ndi ku live. Bryan Yamati yakkiriza mbu tumunoonyeze ssente. Ate alabye ebiki n'agaana okitegeera. No aze ku live mbu nakubira Rich. Okitegeera. Kati nze saagala nteeke mu buzannyo. Okitegeera. Kati so nze live ya Rich ngifuddeko kangende ku Facebook yange. Yeah, I think that's better. I don't want people to play victim. Okitegeera. Yakufuula embabi talina ssente. Mwavu. Tayagala kukkiriza. You don't pray to be rich here. Abantu bagenda muyamba. Okitegeera. Abantu bali willing omuyamba akyaplayinga luboosire. Ne ssente zamujje nakasero yazeewola. Okitegeera kati ayagala kunfuula mbu oba nze nsabiriza. What the fuck? Azanya nnyo game kyokola bamuguba mu State House. Sagala mutuku making like a victim. Yeah, that's a fooling. It means Nibiarwala is just pretending it's not sick. It's just fooling around. Tulieri wa Rich tumunoonyeza buyambi bu okitegeera. Ali mu kuprayinga victim mbu si mulwadde. Ebyokuprayinga ebya ssente mbu you're rich and you're not rich is bad. Tuyina Facebook anyway. I'm not faking the love. Chenabadde njagala Bryan adengulu naye kati munange omulada aliko oxygen akuba n'essimu kyeki. Kitegera era this is mature. Kambawireko you fake dons. Nze nakuwa bantu ba pretending a fake. H245. You're home in the house because you don't have money for the hospital. We are trying to collect money. Kubanga manyi this year my baby mu this year you're nearly dead. Okitegeera buli muntu ali mu epidemic and you just playing cool. Okitegeera you cannot be relevant. So right now namukubidde essimu ng'owulira nangamba it's okay. Yogera n'abantu aye tugenze ku live ali mu kuplayinga mbu taggwangamu. Okitegeera muyambe ntya hani muyambe ntya okujjako era okufunganya kesi bamuziike. Anti era ngenda mwesonyiwa oba afiira mu nju afiire mu depression ze. It means ebyo byonna bye nalaba yali amfakinga. He wasted my time. Okitegeera he can talk. That's why nakubidde Frank Gashumba. Nangamba Bryan is not sick. Ali mu depression yakumujjako basirikale takyalina ssente. And I was still on his side. Ate ali mu kumakinga mu nze nsobola mbu ninga akola gundi okubba. Awa ali mu political games aŋŋambe. Saagala nzijjeko waya kunjogeza bingi. Omanyi baby me nze nfuna sente zange in any way I get my money. Naye ate for Bryan White he can stop to be relevant to public bamuyambe. Okitegeera if it's relevant to public mbwa is looking for sympathy tebigenda kola. Yeah, unless yali amfakinga byonna nti mulwadde. Jovia yansindikidde akakadde kamu mbadde ngenda keera nakasacho kali mugamba Rich mbu taggwangamu. Tumunoonyeza support. Nze tebagimpa nze nkola ssente zange. Ayagala kunfuula mbu mulaga kyokka talina wadde n'ekikumi ne wali. okitegeera tugezaako Juliet Zawedde agenda muyamba bani bagenda muyamba ave kundi why he doesn't go in hospital he's broke babe abantu ano tebanneebaka n'otulo twababuze dda sagala naye sagala bintu bintabula being relevant it's a prison if you're broke you accept your block Jaja mwami I love you very much mbusente zadi bagenda okusondera it's not a big money to me I work oli one sofa why are you in the house unless oli mukutuzanyira you're playing us emotionally you're playing us the public emotionally you're hiding your political issues in us waba wagwamu kiriza nti wagwamu abantu bakuyambe bakutwale mu ddwaliro owone in good peace bwaba tuzanyira ku bwongo tugambe I visited you n'okabanga ekintu kikutuga kati yogerera ku ssimu what is that us ongena kunjogeza n'oluzigoro ebigyonteke nakubidde simu ku saa 12 gyo vyasindisa akakadde kamu nongamba mbu yes it's okay it's okay gamba abantu banyambe sente naziteeka mwalu wa campaign jajja mwami omanye ebintu byewandaga sagala bigamba public I don't want the public to know what president yakwa-avoidinga jajja mwami oli mukwano gwange nze wankabya amaziga nga nkusanze mweyo embeera but if that embeera is fake wake up okole sente abantu bagwamu no I don't have a friend how is mukwano gwange tuli ku live we are fundraising sente agende mu ddwaliro agamba mbu tayetaaga fundraising if you're not needing a fundraising what are you doing on the bed why are you bedridden namwe mundeke twekozeemu omulimu nkubidde abaswidi ogamba twetaaga buyambi najja nenkulaba ng'ofa ekikubeeze waka because you're broke stop playing relevantly my dear low down be low otandise kuwira liki masimu mbu simanya biki I don't need that small money me I do a big deal ekitegeera era twali tugenda kugulira mukene tugulire nakati tugulire nyanya ani mukwano gwo that's why people are empty on podium kati nkoye naawe nkuyamba okyapureyinga mbu oli mugagga abantu bonna bakulekawo mukwano stay low people they help you you're broke ebyo byozuukuka mukwano yonote munyankole tova lwakitula tova nyautarama you're not coming from any you're kilumila you are Muganda nkitegeera so stop playing relevant stop playing me nze si playing a game I'm an emotional woman I'm a mom if you need help you're broke you cannot afford a hospital if you cannot afford a hospital either you're faking the government oyagala kulaba Museveni sagala bino bintu nze binsijjako na saawa zino tuli warichi Zawedde akkiriza okuyamba abantu bonna bakkiriza okuyamba ogende mu ddwaliro woba tolina kikuluma why are you avoiding hospital olowooza mu Uganda gwo omugaso nnyo jjajja mwami gwe bagenda okutta nayogedde naawe ku ssimu n'oŋŋamba it's okay nefuna essimu ya Sam Kuteesa nefuna essimu ya Honorable ani simanyi kiri biki nefuna omuntu abeera ne general muhoozi nga njagala mbannyonnyole mbagambe Bryan White yeetaaga obuyambi. Bw'obanga you're playing your dirty games, don't play on innocent souls. If you're not sick, wake up, accept brokenness. Sagara nokunza insambu simanya bad black abichi. I'm not looking any motivative unza but jaja mwami Bryan White. Nwezi ba sente mekanze sina zinzagaza. Nze nkuba sente mukwano. Gwe wangambye ngende ku live. Nengenda ku live. Nnyonnyodde abantu tokyalina sente bakuyambe. Ate oli mukuba masimu muteweetaaga buyambi wetwale mu ddwaliro oba yimukawo wansi w'oli mutuzannyira obuzannyo. Your drama is too much. Don't play your innocent soul. Mbadde nkuwolereza. Sirina even I'm not attacking you. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, baby. People get mad and get broke. You understand? Abantu bafuna sente ne bafuka broke. And they move on, they work another money. If you're broke, wake up, we do another deal. Ishtegera. Tonkozesa because I'm public figure, nina attention. If Juliet Zawede was willing to help you, Susan was willing to help you, and you come out like I'm faking. Bryan White, this wine is not your money. Send us on Naziria Daniziguao, Nazikola Mubia, Nazikola Munizimda Mama, getting Kolabiona. Chitegera. You don't come spoil my name that is savage. It's not savage, baby. Wake up. Nchenjagala nze nawe tukole toda praying a victim. Mbu you're rich. You're not rich, you're broke. Broke like a rat, a Rundian rat. When you're broke, you bow down. People so they can help you. Nkubidde abantu essimu, nkubidde bakoni essimu, Zaria nkubidde. Everyone has called me because of your faking sickness. If you're faking sickness, wake up and accept the brokenness. My dear. Totuteka kubunkenke. Me, I came to visit you. I was so emotional. You're broke. Toina the security agula gate. And you're here. Oriwa richi, orimumugamba. Bryan, kiriza abantu bakuyambe. Bw'obanga oli mulamu yimuka mukwano n'obutako obwo bulungi nnyo. Tokozesa ano bantu. Don't use me for my fame. I'm not here to play victim. I don't play victim. I accept if I'm broke, I wake up, I work. I do what? I work for money. Abantu ano kwe bayite banneebaka. Okimanyi boo. Akubidde rich. Do you know how it feels? Kati wankabiza amaziga gachi. Can you pay my tears? I don't have anything for free. Can you pay my tears, bitch? Don't play Ngirako games so. If Museveni refused to see you, he refused to see you because you're a terrorist. You dealt with a terrorist. Uchitegera. Wandaga video bulungi nnyo. Simanyi ogula kuba yekere mundu ne muzoza. And I got scared on your information. Nakubira semwai. Toda mnaye kunsiriwalira ku wano ku media, my baby. We are we good. Bwema njagala sente z'okubba mbeera nzeetaaga za kubba. Sibbira ku balwadde. Okitegera. Ondaze oli mulwadde ekintu kikunyoola oli ku oxygen. That's why people they call it gas cylinder. And I'm here sympathizing with you. I'm here one slut standing on your side. Don't bring your epidemic on me. You feel me? Don't bring your epidemic on me. Don't fool Auntie Mbadde. njagala kubba busente obwa vandalizing. You're broke and we can't help. We can't afford. So people are helping and you're here trying to prove. Nayogede nawe nongamba it's okay. Shanita uli wange omuntu yena atuyamba it's okay. Atemaze atola ekintu kigenda viral atokyusa. Tukoyo tuzanyira ku bwongo tweke tulonda akalulu bulungi. I don't want oshitegera wemaze njagala kulyamu ssente gwe Bryan White ntunda n'okuguluko okutaliiko nnyama. Ondaba I can sell your leg which doesn't have fresh. Sia baby okimanyi mbu azze ku live n'anfuula mbu ndi mubbi. Musimanya tanasabako buyambi. Oli wansi kati okay if you're rich or innocent, why are you not going to hospital? You don't take me in your political matters. Tonzanyisa buzanyo obwo bwa game bwa politicals. I'm not a politician. Sina nandanga muntu eronda. I'm satisfied in any part I am. Namwe munda kana oluzungu okitegera. Tina Facebook nawe tomalako mirembe. You drove me emotionally. And I was like, oh Richie, this man is broke, let us hope. Kati watu wali mulade kale vako tambule kubanga oyogerera ku simu okubyene ku live gye bakwogerako. You on social media, you're playing you're sick. We are trying to fight for your life. Kumbo oli mulamu. What is that in mingo? Wabula wana Uganda tujogeddwa. Nga nayogera nawe. Ne kumaja ku saa 12. Bo. Zade dero rock maker.